So I bought the wrong stuff. I ended up with sort of like 4-strand jute instead of 3-strand, I should say, which gave me a bit of a problem in the fact that my normal way of splicing didn't actually work that well. So what I did is I played around and found this sort of works, really. With 4-strand, all I do is I split it into 2 strands. And like with everything else, I tape that, but this is more to keep the jute together rather than using it as a needle. And Give myself plenty. So I let it unravel. And when you got, yeah, about sort of 10 inches, I only want a small eye on this. So I'm just going to start it there. And all I do is find a place where they naturally come together. Excuse me. Hope I'm not getting that bug. Oh dear God. Oh. So as you can see, basically I'm just weaving it back together. And when I get to the bottom, this is where I found it a little bit tricky, because it doesn't want to follow its natural weave. You're going to have to sort of like shape it so that it goes round the other bit of jute, because obviously it's now twice as thick. So just needs sort of like, there we go. Now, that's fairly strong. That's I'm quite impressed with that. I may have done this wrong, but it certainly seems to have worked. Because I don't trust it totally, I'm just going to get some. I'm just going to get some tape. I should have got this cut earlier. Get some tape. And I'm going to just take it up to the top of where the loop is and just wrap. As you can see, that's starting to come round, because it's not actually that, well, I'm saying it's not actually that. It worked on the other one, so I'm just... So wrap. Where a dickhead. Wrap it that way. And when I'm coming down towards the end where I can't get it round anymore, I'm just going to snip those bits off. And wrap it so that it covers the bits that I've just cut. Now, I know it's not pretty. I don't particularly care much for going out in the woods with bits of plastic on me. But that's quite a decent little splice, that. So that is a 4-strand splice. I hope you've enjoyed it. It was certainly an eye-opener for me, and wow. Okay, thanks very much. Please like, subscribe, comment.